How to use Stitch feature on TikTok. Let's get started. First, launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will be directed to the home page. Now find the video you want to use. This can be your own video or a video from another user. Once you have selected the video, at the right corner you're gonna find different option. Tap on the share option. Now different options will appear. Scroll and find the option Stitch. Click on it. Now choose the clip you want to use from their video. You can trim up to 5 seconds of content. Once you have selected the section, tap Next. Now you can record your own video that will play right after this stitched clip. You can choose to record for 15 seconds, 60 seconds or even up to 10 minutes. When using the Stitch feature, you must record using TikTok's in-app camera. You cannot upload clips from your phone. Once you are done recording, tap the check mark to move to the editing screen. Here you can add effects, text, sounds and more just like any normal TikTok post. When finished, tap Next. On the posting screen, TikTok will automatically tag the original creator in your caption. Add your own caption, adjust the settings and then tap Post to publish your stitched TikTok. When people watch your video, they can tap the creator's name to view the full original video you clipped from. And that's it. You have successfully used the Stitch feature on TikTok. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.